Good morning, my dear students. So today is what that today is, Alba? Ashitang kya no? Yes, today is 18 November ka. Matam se khang hong de. Tamna sumna sa November suloy sangidore. Then we will welcome the new year ka. Matang di anong basahi ang laani pilwita na. So today is Thursday and that is 18 November ka. So ikoi kuidara na koi exam kai shoot tawra kadong male ka. Aduduna you should get ready for your exam. That is PA2 ka. PA2 ki laani. Chadune nga. Ngarang nai nakiba singdo loina khangaba ngarang budi suti thare ka. Ai se tabak ra laibadagi ngarang di suti laure. That must have been informed by the school authorities ka. School authorities na kita hiram bangani na khale aduduna ngarang di class thago laudre. But whatever discussion that has taken place before hana nai nagiba singdu loina khangaba khangdre bra na hana ina hagibadagi homework pudi tobo masing yame. The number of homework submitted is increasing, but still it has to be more and more ka. Hena takatare aduduna Lemporiba Satra Singh, homework submit Taba, Traga, homework hot Taba Kangu, Satra Singh do Yaringa, homework Hotna Bohonasika, Tona Bohonasi, so that you and me are in contact. Ka, Matam Sana Koi contact, like Nabohana Nabotam the ka. Senga Narang say, sorry, last time we have done up to question number 3, Waki question number 1, the Hora Meka. Adudana. Question number 2 ki homework kar pigi bani homework to khar submit tawre, but still I told you that just now many more are yet to submit your homework copies ka. Then question number 3 the yang asenga 3 ki da Roman number 1 duma we have done on the last time. So let me take up Roman number 3 duma. Roman number 3 da tam mari apagi to tawge onka adu duga Roman number 4 ne. Let's do one by one. So exercise 7.2. Question number 3 gi Roman number 3 tau siango 3 the lai se kana ne base what we have p square plus 10p plus 25 minus 16p square. So in order to factorize it, we have three terms. So for question number 2, the negative 1, the negative to the it can be directly applied with the formula. Formula direct over but still here. We need to arrange the number. Masing sing tang arrange the woman dakatay. I need masing sumbrosiba 16q square regadaba. Okay, then check the number once again. P square layer 10pm layer plus 25m layer then 16q square regadaba. See na? Sigi posak se yam di mandi mana bani ka still kaito game to kitang mana masing se kitang kayani na koida sambok sado ka pi bai tare ka but it has to be similar with the question taken place already hana koina discussion ta the yaw question sing da to man na dum taw doi ni ado side nga sidagi na si box na koina form la oi na ma ugani ka side nga kamane nga p square plus 10p plus 25 sima group ama same horo aduga sonda le horiba 16q square sina group ama thamo yon darbase. So this the first group is in the form of kanana se p square na ibama then 5 square na ibama when mama na taw ki ba twice p mana 5 so ito ka di mai form na ta sa dre no dai ka seasonal kanaki square number no that is the 4q whole square again. Yan darbase sikhangi ka adari city kanaki formula no koina hano all the nine nagi matamda this is the formula for p plus 5 whole square gi so na kana gi no 4q whole square gi yan dai ka sta pa lai formula ji kana ne ba a square plus twice ab plus b square ji kana ga manari no a plus b whole square gi formula du ni ka priti yan dai ko sa alwa yan dai ka next thing now we have the formula kanagi no se a square minus b square formula mu lai ba lai formula se mu ko na pa lo se ga sta ko na mu si na ga to is na kana no b plus 5 se formula da han e again si han se a b square a square minus b square na tra si formula ji kana ne hai ba a plus b whole square a minus b lai la dra ere ko si ba tari a na kana no sida b plus 5 la dra so therefore it will be b plus 5 whole square minus 4q whole square na tra a na kana no sida b plus 5 b na kanano 4q naman di kanala ani b plus 5 minus 4q nervous ya ang ani ka sima gandai ka okay nori dan sinjalo sima amaga hot kisira san gani ka so amatan hot kisi ngo so number let's take Roman number 5 te ngo kona siloka punna Roman 5 tala is kana no a to the power 4 duga b to the power 4 sise pana yang a to the power 4 sisu natra b to the power 4 sisu they are the square number natra kana ki square number no amane a square gi amane kana gi no b square gi so mi ko alba se function gi ka priti summa ba dane ngo ki kana la ni sa it can be written as a square whole square here about saman lai de yan dai ka asi kana la ni se a square minus b square la ba si formula kana la ni a square minus b square a square plus b square yan tar ba se koi ni a square plus b square ye formula di khang de ka ang dabdan maram moiraga c di leng dabi dum thamani aduga c d we can again factorize it mai tambaya na ba a plus b mana kana no a minus b so mika this is what we are doing this is your answer yan tabra si ba nai ka sunga sinjalo yang watu tin yarba now let's do some more ka kharaga taw gi senga question number 3 the ge karam baga taw sike Roman number 5 this is Roman number 4 sorry this will be your Roman number 4 ni ka this will be your Roman number 4 now let's do some more Roman number 6 to matawar senga yarba 6 to ga 7 to ga tawrage to atai duna na koi homam tawro ka yunga Roman number 6 and 7 so Roman number 6 ta tailaiba 9a to the power 4 plus 36a square b square plus 36b to the power 4 81 na this is sama nahi hum sikta hu ba maina aham ke first 3 terms ke dore they can be of one of the algebraic identities natra identity form ai mak tamala ka doi ni ngo the c dash can be written as kanano say thrice a square whole square ni ibe address ya yaraba ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯊꯪꯗ ꯀꯅꯥ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯅꯤꯁꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯏꯈꯤꯕꯗꯣ ꯁꯤ ꯀꯅꯥꯒꯤꯅꯦꯕ 6b whole square ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯗ ꯁꯤ ꯀꯅꯥ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯅꯤ twice thrice a square b ꯅ ꯀꯅꯥ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯇꯣꯏꯅꯣ 6b square ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯇꯥꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯣ 2 6 just 2 3 just 3 6 ꯂꯩꯔꯦ 6 into 6 36 ꯇꯥꯔꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯃꯈꯜ ꯁꯣꯝꯗ ꯂꯩꯍꯧꯔꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯅꯥꯅꯣꯁꯦ 9 square ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯨꯒ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯗ ꯁꯤ ꯀꯅꯥꯒꯤ ꯐꯣꯔꯃꯨꯂꯥ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯕꯁꯦ thrice a square plus 6b square sigi whole square lere ada 9 square lere yan tarba siba next tadi kai lere se thrice a square plus 6b square minus 9 mana kanano thrice a square plus 6b square plus 9 yarba hangani ko se si gyan ta hoi ka ai formula budi mathematic idre idraga si dum gyan ta bangam banatra yani ka then Roman number 7 da Roman 7 da hais na kanani yango 4x square y square plus 36x y square 81 y square. Yeah, only what we are searching here is that only we are searching the square number. Do niko theory se karam masing the proper square y karam masing the square number y. Do niko sila ko theory se ka tai ka su nate. Adu ne square number kana na se masagi to minus twice x y. Sige le raba square number sina trasa sina kana gino sa 9y whole square ge chumika si kana la ni twice a si kana no le ni b na kana no 9y entara pa nga trasa adu si kana ni sa twice xy plus 9y whole square entara si ba lai drane si ba kisup kam luge si bo okay no down singa sinjalo yanga yarani okay now the remaining questions khalem how the homework to sika adune nga question number 4 to se mu yang se uta payar ba si ba yareka so okay then question number 4 Question number 4 is but here only that some additional concept is the addition and subtraction of decimal. Ka, iti hai gidra, alba hai gi ka, adagi rotation hai binatra lo nama. Fraction decimal tinjan ba kai dong na ba hai gi ka. Adane nga kaisu yaw bunati ka mamana tau gitu ka sama nei. Question number 4 da. Roman number 1 the lazy kanano sa 5.6 whole square minus 4.4 whole square. See yanga see directly mana number oil people anika see dai koina 5.6 whole square se ani ra puri salaba dai 4.4 jani ra puri salaba then after that khaidong ra bu ke sukai de but we are here dealing with the algebraic identities natra ana algebraic identity treat tor matam danina we have to use the concept of the algebraic identity. This can be written as 5.6 plus 4.4 5.6 minus 4.4 when the season I give back and a square minus b square formula dunika a plus b ama manakanano a minus b ama narvasa with target second this can be added so this will be 10 into we subtract this 1.2 ladra that will be equal to 12 clear Lubra siba tinjan ba to yang 5.6 tagi 5.6 ta 4.14 jalagadi 10 phangani chumika adai 5.6 tagi 4.4 khadokadi 1.2 le hodra the 1.2 duga 10 ka purisiladi how much you get will be getting 12 and ka so next thing manare loina mak le modification sing do yanga so last one that will be 512 that Roman number 6 to yang senga Roman number 6 to lazy kanano 512 square minus 488 square sinana algebra identity se sizinadaba targadi masing si am sawroidra 512 zanira purisala ka doini 488 zanira purisala ka doini atrane adudi masing am sawna phangoidra but in order to simplify that we have to use the concept of kanano algebraic identity concept sisinaga doini haba adu tadi masing da laidra sa nasai sida 5.6 zanira purisala pa tawide tawbra tawde ka ana singa lai thora ka doini ana sinsa manana yanga sigana la ani 512 plus 488 amana kanano 512 minus 488 amane mai la ka doini ka tin jala di kai phang yang 2 plus I is 10 1 plus 8 to be 9 carry 1 tong to be 10 le ni 5 plus 4 is 9 10 into minus already 2 plus 8 sorry 2 minus 8 is 4 sumika 10 minus 8 is 2 sumabasya adama di 5 to the 4 le horani na it will be kya le hode ba 24 la le so if we simply multiply this so how much you will be getting 24000 and that was that lara trasiba lubra ni siba pesulu dinatra na so with this you now you copy it down note it down and we will be giving you some homework kana pige nga yar basa yar ko to dia now homework for today's are sige homework pila ge nga memory question single loina tawbagi takar ta deka uncle laga khara tawse nga so homework for today that is from exercise 7.2 dagi question number 3 dagi karam lem hore roman number 8 tuma tawra and darba roman number 5 tuma tawra question number 4 dagi ani me yanga anata tawsike roman number 2 duga mana kanano roman number 4 duga tawra yare ka hanga drasiba clear wa ba yare ko to dia se farenga nasigi distalo salase angani ka atuka hayeng amok makata sika tomorrow we'll be taking up the new concept and our portion amal lokthar kadoini of this particular chapter ka so everyone must be present tomorrow as well as today ka class nung tigi yaw sika okay then bye bye see you all in the next class